Casey Banks on the track.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another one. Left my, where am I? GoPro is dead, so I gotta use my iPhone. I'm doing a compression test on a 2006 Saturn Ion. I'm gonna try to do the best I can. And letting y'all know what I'm doing right now is checking out the first spark plug. Taking that spark plug out. See if we can get that out, y'all. Let me get a. Let's see. I need to get. Get one of these so I can get this spark plug out of there. Yep, there it goes. We're gonna leave it right there. Okay guys, let me connect this compression tester up. I'll get right back with you. Look like I probably need this one, the smaller one. Let me check both of them. Check and see which one fits, y'all. Got this good. Oh, look like that one fits. All right, it's tight. Okay, guys. Since I don't have a partner, what I did was just put the compression base up there, and then we're gonna go get behind the car and do a couple puffs. Guys, I'm gonna let y'all read that while I do the puffs. What the fuck? It's gonna work. Okay, YouTube, that was the first cylinder. Now I'm about to put the first spark plug back. About to put the first spark plug back, and here, about to do the second cylinder. Okay, this is the second cylinder compression test. Let me get this spark plug out of here, and we'll go back to it. Cylinder number 3. Cylinder number 4.